when the chef goes click clack and the paint goes splat. Call out Darren the builder, he can handle that. A wobble in the hallway, a doorway leaning low. He comes with the toolbox and he's ready to go. Darren the builder,
He fixes it right,
Darren the builder,
makes the whole house bright.
oh yes he can. Darren the builder,
He saves the day.
Darren the builder, hip hip hooray.
Now how hard can this be? I think I've watched enough videos now to take on this bathroom. This renovation is going to be a breeze. Right, time to start the project. This is going to be fun. I think I'll be done by lunchtime. My wife is going to be so impressed. I finally get to use these tools that I got for Christmas. Right, let's start with this drill and remove the old shelves. I really underestimated this job. Those guys made it look so easy in the videos. I've made a right mess. I guess I can't stop now, so I'm going to have to keep going. Hopefully I can figure it out. Oh no! What have I done? This wasn't supposed to happen. I think I forgot to turn the water off. Oh no! This is not how it happens in the videos. Not another leak! I'm really bodging this up. I think I might have bitten off more than I can chew. Another one! That's it, I give up. Why did I think this was a good idea? I need to find some help and I need to find it quick.
Hey neighbor, I heard you're having some trouble with your renovation. I know exactly the man that can help. You should give him a call right away.
Did someone say they had an emergency? Well, it looks like you got yourself into a right state here. I better grab some tools and get straight to work. This is gonna be a long day. Let's start with these leaks, shall we? Their job done. Now on to the next job.
Wow, I have water again. I can't thank you enough. You've done an amazing job.
I'm glad you like it. You can call me anytime you need help.
Thanks again for saving me. I think I might try the kitchen next.